Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy smile guys. Guys, maging happy lang tayo. Life is too short. So guys, ito may beef shawarma akong order, 100 beef shawarma order. Ito siya guys, ang dami. Yan siya. So ito guys. Yan. Yan. Maglagay tayo ng sibuyas, kamatis. Yan. Yan guys. Ang sarap yan. Yan. Halo natin. Tapos, kung anong gusto mong na sauce guys, kung gusto mo ng garlic o kaya sweet sauce, yan, tzatziki sauce. Yan, napakasarap yan guys. It's yummy yummy. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.